Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back in my kitchen. Look at that. The main reason is because this involves water and I don't have running water in my craft room. So I'm going to try something that I've seen once now on the internet. So it must be true. The basic premise is we are going to fill this sheet pan here. A nice cheap one. This was 50 cents at Dollar Tree because you get a pack of 2 for $1. I have a can of Dollar Tree regular old shaving cream, and I have 3 alcohol inks. I have Pinata Gold, that's more for an accent. For the 2 main colors, I have Ranger Alcohol Pearl in Tranquil, so blue sparkle, and a Ranger just plain old alcohol ink in Vineyard, which is, it looks like a dark purple. So I'm going to take the shaving cream, I'm going to spray it, a solid rectangle of it, in my sheet pan, which should be just about exactly the right size. It needs to be longer than the cup. So if I basically fill to, there's sort of a inner rim here. So if I fill to that line, and then, let's see, I have more than enough lengthwise. So maybe I can dip my bottom in the last bit if I don't use all of this. So we're going to spread out the shaving cream. We are going to cover it with our alcohol inks. And we are going to roll the cup in it and possibly dip the bottom if I have enough shaving cream left with alcohol ink on it that hasn't been touched yet. And then I'm going to turn on the water and stick it under the faucet, and we're going to see what we get. We are supposed to get the alcohol inks transferred in a, I don't know, kind of cool design. We'll see. I really don't know what to expect. I just don't know. So, you're going to try this with me. Woo! All right. Getting it on me. Okay, I think, because this looks so kind of mountainous, I'm going to maybe even it out a titch here. Put that aside. Now, let's see what we can do with our alcohol inks. This will probably use a lot of them, but that's okay. I have a lot. Somehow I have amassed quite the collection of alcohol inks. Well, here goes nothing. Boy, I hope you're still on. Let's make sure. Yes, you are. Okay, here we go. Okay. Well, this should be interesting. Ha! Okay, folks, this does not work the way they say it will. Look at that. What a mess. All right, what did I do wrong? Clearly, I did something wrong. I got some. Oh, that's not gonna work. Come on, turn on. I mean, it's interesting looking. Didn't get any of the blue. I got some purple splotches. I wonder if I spent too much time putting the colors on. You think that's it? All right, well, here it is. I mean, I must say, if I let this dry and put epoxy over it, it'll probably look beautiful, but, well, maybe not this spot. But I get a way better result from hydro dipping than I do this. So, yeah, I think I'm going to stick with hydro dipping. Let's see if I can get you a close-up. Turn it back. See if that will focus. My hands are all wet. It really, yeah. So clearly the blue did nothing. I mean, there's a tiny bit of it there and a little teeny bit down there. The blue did nothing. The purple is just kind of gross. The gold is okay. But, you know, overall, I would say this is a fail. If anybody out there has had success at doing this with a tumbler, please tell me what you think I did wrong, because I'm curious. Oh, here's the bottom. Not much better. Was it the fact that I let the purple sit on there too long while I fiddled with the blue and the gold?
The scraping timer is done.
Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you tried it. Thanks, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.